Díhuit agus fáilte. Hello and welcome. Welcome to another conversational Irish video where we'll be talking about the weather today on Aimsir, the weather. Cad é mar a bhí an Aimsir? How was the weather? Cad é mar a bhí an Aimsir? Bhí sé go háling. It was lovely. Bhí sé go háling. You could also add in the word for weather, Aimsir. So you could say bhí an Aimsir go háling. Tá an grian ag tainmh. Tá an grian ag tainmh. The sun is shining. Tá an grian ag tainmh. Tá sé grianmhar. Tá sé grianmhar. It is sunny. If it was a particularly sunny day, you could say Tá an grian an a loidir inniu. Tá an grian an a loidir inniu. The sun is very strong today. But that would be unusual. Neve ganach. Unusual. Neve ganach. And if it was a bad day, you could use the word ufásach. Ufásach, which means awful. An lá ufásach, an awful day. Mar tá sé ag cur farringe, because it is raining. Mar, because tá sé ag cur farringe, it is raining. Bíonn sé ag báisteach chuid bha an seo. Bíonn sé ag báisteach chuid bha an seo. It rains a lot here. Bíonn sé ag báisteach chuid bha an seo. It rains a lot here. You could also predict the weather for the future by using the word beg. So you could say beg báisteach ann. It will rain. Beg báisteach ann. It will rain. And the word for snowing is sneachta. So beg sneachta ann. It will snow. Beg sneachta ann. It will snow. You could also say beg sé gwafer. It will be windy. Beg sé gwafer. It will be windy. Okay, ceart go leor. Sin é. That's it. Gurb magat. Thanks for watching. And beg me a rash gan bhfuil. I will be back soon. Beg me a rash gan bhfuil. Slán go fóill.